me, baby. That's what it's saying. Oh, fucking hell.
Back together. Woo. First stop. Sushi Hub. At the tram stop.
This is it now. Traveling.
We're travelling. We're gonna get on our bus next week. Get this hair sorted. You alright?
Logan's getting her nose pierced. There's a chap's animal. That's a chap's eye.
Oh no, look at my skin. That's a bit of an issue.
We're not being negative this time round. Even though I just said it how shit I look. But that's fine.
Nervous.
Can you hold this please?
We've had a bottle of wine, 2 beers each. No, half a bottle of wine.
One.
And a beer
half a
each.
bottle of
And
wine.
this is where we are.
Oh my god, I literally felt
I
so
look-
drunk on the train. Stinky cat bitch.
Stinky cat. Can't believe them. Ooh!
Ooh, there she is.
Blood. It looks a bit big, but that's for the swelling.
Bro, you should have done that challenge that I do on YouTube. Fuck.
Um,
The 24-hour glow up challenge or whatever, and you get your nails done, fucking
My nose
get your
done.
hair done, get your nails done, get
bloody
your
will
eyelashes
show you
done.
that
Oh my
soon.
god, you could have.
We're getting rid of this today. Straggle. Look at the state of that. Actually, look how bad that looks. This is the whole.
Tell them how much it's going to cost you though.
No. Hostel tour upgraded. Oh. To a 4 bed. This is our room. It's very small, but I'll do donkey. So look, the window's all dirty. Flinders Street. Tram? Is that the station? No. Yeah, that's Flinders Street station.
Pancakes.
Free pancakes every morning. Slitty titty up in this bitch. Speak to you soon.
We're gonna go see the Lion King. The Lion King. Brogan just had her hair done, but she'll show you tomorrow when the lighting's better. Yes. Okay. Talk to you later. Every time. Okay.
We're just in the Lion King. I don't know why I always take videos like this and regret it. It's just got my hair done.
She's thick.
She's thick.
She's really thick though.
She's thick,
She's
luscious.
thicker than a bowl of oatmeal.
Oh god.
What have we done while we've been in Melbourne? Nothing.
We've been in Melbourne.
And yesterday we had a chill day, which I felt like was what?
I thought someone was going to come in.
Necessary because we've been working gals.
We were literally just in the dark. When you think about it, it was so depressing, but also
No, it's
so,
so
like
good.
the best day of our lives.
It's so good. Today we're gonna go find Iron Brew.
Yeah. I had a sip of it and now.
And then don't know what we'll do, maybe chill, and we're gonna make a list of what we want to do while we're here.
Yeah.
And then
And then it's Brogan's birthday tomorrow.
cool. Speak to you soon. Say bye.
Bye.
Where are we, Lottie?
Marquee. Yes, we're buying all the fruit and veg because we're so healthy. We definitely didn't have chips, cheese and gravy for breakfast.
Shiny fruit. Does that not mean that they put something on it to make it shiny?
Yeah, like wax or something.
I know the tricks. exactly how I want to go on my birthday.
Oh my god. Watch this, I'm gonna miss it. Ah.
It'll go darker than it'll be like.
I know. Oh my goodness. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Oh. Happy birthday, dear Broken. Happy birthday to you. What do you wish for, bitch?
Chewy nuts.
Chewy noodles. Oh my goodness.
Actual B-day. Happy birthday.
Oh my goodness, it's your
I've had
birthday.
my lips on, it's not me, it's just my shin.
Do you want to open your presents?
No.
It's your birthday.
In the morning. Thanks.
Oh. Party time. Yay.
Am I gonna let it cost? Come with me. Ooh. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. Holy. It's my birthday.
Why are you going to cringe? Because of what? What's embarrassing? I meant to be in charge today, but I don't know where I'm going, so
I had to do the direction.
I head where we're going, but it's not even like, it's just a little place.
We've both got our new shoes on today. She's got her crip check. Oh. Got my Pumas on. Oh.
Right, so basically, I'm going to tell Brogy what we're doing. Hee hee hoo. And, right, so we're going here. Look at you all nervous. It's nothing major. And then we're going to go to a place called, this is at 2 o'clock, we're going to go to a place called Drumplins. It's a place that we passed the other day there and you're like, oh, that looks cool in there. Do you not remember? Oh, that's even better then. It's like a Japanese place. So we're going there, they do really good cocktails. There. They've got cocktails, and if you're hungry, they've got some cool food.
Yeah.
Then we're going to do the Eureka Tower.
Are we?
Yeah. Exciting. And then I was thinking then after that, I've not got anywhere booked for dinner because you can't really book anywhere, so I was thinking we could try and go back to presents and do something else that I thought would be cute. And then that's if it plans out, and then we go for dinner either at this, it's a really nice rooftop bar, it's meant to have a really good sunset, or we can go to a Korean barbecue place that I found. So you can choose. And then, oh, it's so busy day. And then we're going to the ice bar
Tonight?
at 8 o'clock tonight. And then I was thinking, that closes at 10. I was like, why so early? So I was thinking there's a cool shisha bar. Oh, shisha.
Yeah,
So we can go there.
That sounds
And if that's all shit, then we'll go to bed.
no, that sounds wonderful.
You excited? We're just waiting out here because Brogan feels a bit spewy after her breakfast. But anyway, yeah, we both got blisters on our feet, so good start to the day.
We've just got, this is our first stop where we've got blisters. Off to a good start.
Off to a really good start.
Promising good start.
I'm wondering if I just want to go back and change my shoes.
Slides on.
Yeah. You don't want to ruin your whole birthday because of a pair of fucking shoes.
I know, but we're gonna look full makeup in that slides.
So Lottie got a wig and a drink. Bitch. That's too far,
Nice. I think you're supposed to put it in it.
Why?
Does it not melt? No.
Clearly not.
This is $19.
It looks like it's literally just putting up you.
But we're having a lovely day for the BP so far. It's nice and sunny. Rooftop bar.
Tell about the day so far.
So today what we've done is woke up to lovely Gloria jeans.
Yeah, no, tell them what's it for you.
Gloria got up this morning, went and got me a coffee
While you were so asleep.
while I was asleep, and then I got up, got ready, then we went to Kettle Black for breakfast, had a nice chicken burger, had a coffee with ice cream in it, wasn't sure about that. Felt a little bit sick after. Then we came home, changed our shoes. We both spent about $140 on shoes. Had them on for maybe an hour.
Not even.
Already came home and changed them because we had blisters. Ordered a cocktail that was, how could I say, disgusting.
It was warm.
Warm cocktail. Drank about 3 sips of it.
I had a ponytail in mine. So
Laurie's cocktail had a ponytail.
did we video that?
Insert picture here. Now we're on a rooftop bar with some wine. It's a bit windy.
Sounds like a good birthday to me so far.
But we're having a great day. Very chill, very good. Having a great time. Alcohol and bands. Why not the oily nose? Hair. I've got hair fixed. You can see my hair now. Oh bitch. You having a good day?
Yes, I'm having a very good day actually. Good.
Thanks for planning everything.
You know, that's what I'm here for. Like,
Thanks boyfriend, girlfriend.
taking me to New York for my birthday.
Oh, are we? I'm taking you to Fiji, bitch. It's better.
Oh, we're actually gonna go.
Yeah, why not? We plan to go to Fiji for Laurie's birthday.
I'm excited. So excited. Oh my god, look. I'm going to Paris. We have to come out in the hall of the hostel. What? Oh my god, why are you shaking?
I don't want to look at it yet.
What? What? What did you read? Well, you can't just read. What did? Well, don't read it out loud. Did he greet on me?
What did you do here?
Oh, don't want to talk about it.
I love that I knew that you made a mistake.
Just a big love heart. Love of your life. Sorry, yeah, I should have clarified that.
Where do you get these from?
Yeah, I thought I'd give you that one. Let me see.
Where did you get that from?
Can't tell you about that. Right, can I? Can't tell you that.
Can't talk about it.
Can't talk about it. Secret club. If you're in the club, you can't talk about it. Right, this present here is to go with future presents that I will get you in the future. Yeah, this is just like a little like ooh, like I know like you like using these, so.
You know how like what?
Just open it. No. Yeah.
Yeah.
Happy birthday. Do you want me to sing? Want me to sing? Later on, I've had a few drinks.
Perfect, we'll come find you.
Have you had a good day?
Yeah, good. Thank you.
Oh.
Oh, great.
This is for your notepad. You can use it with your.
Oh, cute. I love that you know me as Jim and Auntie.
Your Jim and Auntie?
Jim and Auntie.
Oh. Wait.
No, I know what it is. Tell you what.
I've got junkets. Yeah. I was trying to hide it in my case the whole time. Yeah. Oh my god, have you ever seen? Wow.
Oh, bitch.
Let me see.
Where did you get these from?
You sent me it. I know they didn't all go to plan. We'll talk about that off camera.
No, I'm so happy. Like,
Wait, I think that's.
thank you, Dad.
You're so welcome. Are you ready, Brogan? Quick. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Brogan. Happy birthday to you.
That's the quickest one. Where'd you get that from?
What? I went and got it this morning.
Alright.
Whee!
That's so cute.
What are you doing?
I feel like you need to film. Just on me. For yourself, slut.
We are going on a 28-hour bus journey tomorrow. Oh my god!
I've never liked.
Oh, sorry.
Never liked better.
What do you mean, oh lordy? My shit's in your way, Just out checking out Brogan's bed. Ow. Oh my god.
I'm gonna play my phone case as well. Should I chuck it out?
No, what if I get a new phone?
You're gonna get. Oh, you're gonna get a new phone. You're in what fucking budget likes? You're gonna get a new phone.
I've still got this eyebrow stuff on. I want to see you try and close this case.
Yeah, man.
It's bursting at the seams.
We're off to a strong start. Oh mate, that's the same.
Wow, and she's gone in.
Done.
Okay, good job. Stop!
That's all I know how to do.
That's all I know what to do. Okay, we're excited for our bus journey.
Bye.
Bye.